Let's start with the very basic question. When I saw your LinkedIn profile, or when I was going through your profile, you're a performance marketing strategist. So I didn't had a lot of clarity about this role. Could you please give us a little more intro and what does this role entails and everything?
Like Shivansh, the name suggests, it's a performance marketing strategist. I strategize performance marketing for various brands. Some of the brands that I look at are into the BFSI, tourism, visa services space. Now, performance marketing is what you do a revenue based marketing, you do an acquisition based marketing. There is an end objective associated with all the kind of marketing strategy that you do. My role is to plan and strategize those kind of campaigns on multi platforms and an omni-channel network. It could be Google, Facebook, any kind of a display channel. And the objective could be anything. It could be building the top funnel, it could be building the bottom funnel, it could be lead generation, it could be e-commerce sales. Any kind of objective that you think that can be achieved is something that I personally, as of now, along with the team, we take care of. So that is my current role.